Hi there, JC here from Work It Daily. We just wanted to pop in real quick to share a brief testimonial regarding how the videos and the advice here at Work It Daily works. And I am one of the many ones that are getting results as I work it daily. So back in July of 2017, JT did a brief video on what she called candidacy follow-up. At that time, it was very timely because I was coming up on an internal opportunity to interview. The first process was a telephone, and the follow-up really, really helped. So I'm here to say that the takeaway on that is that video or that advice can also be used even if you're in the process of interviewing. Let me explain real quick. Really targeting more internally. So right before Thanksgiving 2017, an internal position was advertised. I applied. The announcement ended the week after Thanksgiving. We went holiday mode after that. I heard through another employee that the hiring manager had been out ill the first 2 weeks of December. Wasn't any sense in following up in December because, again, people on vacation, people are trying to wrap things up. So that's just not a great time. The first week of January isn't necessarily great because people are kind of recovering from the new year. So with that said, I waited till about maybe January the 8th, January 9th, followed that advice the way JT said. Again, not asking for a job, not begging or anything like that, but just greeting this hiring manager who's in HR, just saying, Happy New Year, hope your New Year's off to a good start. And I did, by the way, before I did that, I checked my status in the system to see if anything had been done. Because again, this is an internal position, so I'm able to check the status. So I knew where to sort of direct my presentation or my email. Long story short, followed JT's advice, and I got a response that same day. The person has not started, which is good news for me because that means that I may still be in the running. So anyway, please take these videos, these free videos on the YouTube channel, the videos and the pop-ins that JT does, those live sessions. Please take those and the ones that the other admins and the staff do at Work It Daily. Also, subscribe, please. It's well worth it. Even if you can do a couple of months at a time, I'm telling you, these videos and this advice, the LinkedIn one, the resume one, the disruptive cover letter, those will actually change your perspective on your job search and allow you to work it daily on a positive note. So thanks for tuning in. Take care and you have a good day. Bye now.